Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Whirlpool refrigerator not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step, you have to check power supply issue. For this purpose, you have to ensure the refrigerator is securely plugged into a functioning outlet. Test the outlet by plugging in another working device. Number 2, trip circuit breaker. For this purpose, you have to check the circuit breaker panel to see if the refrigerator's breaker has tripped. Reset the breaker by flipping it off and then back on. Damaged power cord. You have to inspect the power cord for visible damage like fraying or cuts. If the cord is damaged, it may need to be replaced. Faulty internal components. Check internal components like the start relay, overload protector or control board. Test these components with a multimeter for continuity. User manual reference. Refer to the refrigerator user manual for troubleshooting steps specific to your model. Follow any additional instructions provided in the manual. Professional assistance needed. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Whirlpool customer support. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.